My name is Alyssa Hawara, and I will be telling you about my word problem analysis based on a student, Caden, who completed it at 6 years old, and an adult, Amber, who completed it at the age of 25. Both of these people completed the word problems fairly similar, however, with some minor differences. I will start with Caden's. The first question that I asked was, Cameron, Alex, and Matthew want to buy an ice cream popsicle for their little sister. The ice cream popsicle she wants is $2. They have 4 quarters, 3 dimes, and 3 nickels. How much more money do they need to buy her the popsicle? The way Caden completed it was he added how many quarters it took that he had to make $1. So he added 25 cents plus 25 cents plus 25 cents plus 25 cents equals $1. He did the same with the 3 dimes and the 3 nickels and found his total. What he did afterwards was he took the $2 that he needed minus what he had to see how much he needed left. And he got the correct answer of 55 cents. Amber did it fairly similar. However, she just formatted it differently in terms of adding it all up. And she explained herself. For the second question was, Clint has 10 mugs from different states that he has been to. He is planning to go to New York in the winter, Washington, D.C. in the spring, and Florida in the summer. How many mugs will he have after his Washington, D.C. trip in the spring? He had some trouble with this one, not understanding what he had to do. So I explained it a little bit better as he was completing it. He wrote down how much mugs he had already, how much he will get after his trip in the winter, and after his trip in the spring. He stopped there and realized that he didn't need to go forward because he knew spring was before summer. He added it up to 12 mugs, which is correct. Amber did it pretty similar, except she didn't write down 1 mug. She just knew it because as an adult, she just simply had to write down, and she crossed off Florida because she realized she doesn't need that one. She got the same answer. For the third question, it was, Alyssa woke up on Monday and saw that she has 15 homework assignments to finish. She has a family gathering on Saturday and would like to be all done with her homework. How many assignments does she have to do each day to finish on Friday? Now this was a division problem. However, Caden didn't understand division at the time, so he did it pretty differently. He added up multiple times on a separate piece of paper, and I told him he could do it on this paper, but he just didn't want it to be a mess. He wrote down how many days is between Monday and Friday, because that's when I needed to finish it. He then wrote down Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday equals. He didn't write this down yet. He did this. He wrote down 15 dashes and then circled how many would be an even number. He then wrote it down here to double check his work. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 15 assignments, and he realized the answer was 3. The way Amber did it, she started off by writing this simply. 15 divided by 5 equals 3. Then she checked her work just for the purpose of this assignment and wrote down the answer. They both got the same answer. Now the back one was different. It was a little more complicated for Caden, but he kind of got the hint. The question is, how many outfits can Elena wear if she has 1 pair of jeans, 1 black shirt, 1 yellow shirt, 1 pair of black shoes, 1 black skirt, and 1 red shirt? She stared at the problem a little, and then she decided to write it all down. He wrote black skirt, yellow shirt, red shirt. He wrote all the shirts in one. Then he wrote the bottoms, so the jeans and the skirt. Then he realized there's only 1 pair of shoes. He understood that you have to wear bottoms and you have to wear the shoes, so it just is a purpose of comparing them. He did a little diagram, 1, 2, 3, and did it again with the 3 shirts and got 6 different outfits. Amber did it the same way but differently. She did write this out afterwards just to double check her work, but she wrote it all down first. Jeans, black shirt, yellow shirt, black shoes, black skirt, red shirt. Then wrote it down here, black shirt. She wrote down all the shirts first, and then all the shirts again, because she knew there was 3. She wrote jeans, jeans, skirts, skirts, shoes, 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 and got 6, and then circled 6. And that was the correct answer. So both the adult and the child got the same answers, but did it a little bit differently. Amber kind of skipped ahead and would just jump to a simple problem, whereas Caden didn't understand that and started off by writing tally marks. Both resulted in the same answer, but could have been done separate ways.